Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software update for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then scroll down. Go to More Settings. And right here we have Update Firmware. So tap on it and check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version, because firmware is the same as software. And if you haven't, you will see a button, download and install, and you just tap on it and you can update your software version. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!